This week on Cougar Media News,
we see where our senior athletes are going to play in college.
We take a look at where our seniors will be in 10 years.
And we see what the students' plans are for over the summer.
Cougar Media News starts now.
Summer's here, good to be chilling out. I'm off the clock, the pressure's out. Now my girl's what it's all about.
Ready for some sunshine, for my heart to take shape.
Oh, yeah.
I'm here to stay, not moving away. Ready for a summer romance. Everybody ready, going crazy, yeah, we're around. Come on and let me hear you say it now, right now.
What time is it? Summertime.
It's our vacation.
What time is it? Party time.
That's right, say it loud.
What time is it? Time of our lives.
Anticipation.
What time is it?
Summertime. School's out, scream shout. Everybody rules, no summer school. I'm free to shop till I drop.
It's an education vacation.
And the party never has to stop. We've got things to do, we'll see you soon.
And we're really gonna miss you all.
Goodbye to you and you.
And you and you.
Bye-bye until next fall. Bye-bye.
Everybody ready, going crazy, yeah, we're out. Come on and let me hear you say it now, right now. What time is it? It's party time. It's party time. The time of our lives. Yeah!
Good morning, PHS. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is May 23rd. This is Lindenmuth Patel.
And Adrina Russek bringing you the last and final episode of this school year.
You have probably noticed the recent construction around our building. Bree Eckenroth and Adrina Russek give us a sneak peek on what's going on.
The high school is in the process of renovations to accommodate the growing student body. Bree and I had the chance to talk to Dr. Kepler about what is currently happening.
The high school is in desperate need of instructional or classroom space. The district office is being moved off-site. Current district office is being converted into 4 full-size classrooms and 2 small group rooms and a smaller office so that we have additional instructional space. And then further up near guidance, rooms 113 and 114, they were 2 smaller rooms. We're converting those classrooms into office space. We currently have psychologists, social worker, and our 5th counselor working out of either what were conference rooms, closet space, storage space, and we're now going to be able to have some full office space for them. This phase is to be done by August 15th.
After the school year is over, they are planning to move the renovations over to Buckswank Stadium. Pay attention because there are more upcoming potential renovations for PHS. This has been Adrina Russek reporting for Cougar Media News.
Just a reminder, senior final exams take place from May 27th through May 29th. All senior work is due by 3 p.m. to teachers, and all seniors' grades are due by 3 p.m. on Thursday, May 29th. Last day for seniors is May 30th and dismissal at 10:30 a.m.
Congratulations to Wyatt Aragoni for winning May's Student of the Month. Landon Seacrest prepared a few questions for Wyatt.
I'm here with the Student of the Month.
Hello, my name is Wyatt Aragoni.
And what activities are you involved in?
I'm part of the Knights of Columbus for Holy Spirit Catholic Church. I'm part of Wrestling, National Honor Society. I'm a firefighter for 2 different stations, and I also volunteer with Life Skills and a bunch of other different organizations.
And what are your plans for after high school?
I plan to serve in the United States Marine Corps, trying out for MARSOC, which is Marine Special Forces, and then get my degree online at Liberty University for criminology.
Thank you.
Thank you, Landon. Last week on Wednesday, on May 14th, seniors continuing to play any spring sport in college signed their letters. Maddie Witt and Landon Weldon gave us a look on how it went.
Last Wednesday, May 14th, was signing day for our senior student athletes at PHS. Senior Sophie Price gives her perspective on where she is attending college.
My name is Sophie Price, and I am going to Youngstown State University for track and field. I picked this school because I loved the campus and the opportunities they had for me.
These student athletes have worked hard all their lives to achieve a dream, and this is another step towards creating bigger dreams.
Senior Tyler Peck shares his opinions on why he selected the college he chose.
Hi, my name is Tyler Peck. I'm going to Bishop State Community College, and I picked there because it's made the best opportunity for me to develop and grow.
Coaches are very proud of all the hard work the senior athletes have done to get to where they are today. Congrats to all the senior athletes on their commitments.
This has been Maddie,
Landon,
and Ava,
reporting for Cougar Media News.
Good luck to all the athletes in their athletic career.
Staying on the topic of sports, Landon Weldon brings us our last sports update.
Hi PHS, this is Landon Weldon bringing you this week's sports update. On May 16th, the boys lacrosse had their first district game at home versus Wyomissing. They won with a score of 16-6. On May 20th, the boys traveled to Lampeter-Strasbourg for their second round of districts. They had a hard-fought game but ended up losing the game with a score of 12-4. Congrats to the boys on a great season. Baseball started their district playoffs with a bye. On May 19th, the boys hosted Northern York at home for the second round. They won with a score of 4-0, sending them to the district semifinal, as well as punching their ticket to states. Good luck to the boys as they continue their run. Boys volleyball hosted Redland at home on May 20th for the first round of districts. They won 3-2. They will move on to the second round and play Northeastern at home. Good luck, as a win will secure their spot into states. On May 16th and 17th, track and field competed in districts at Shippensburg University. The boys team won the district meet by 1 point to Manheim Township. They secured the win with the boys 4x4 getting 8th place, putting them 1 point ahead of Manheim Township. Good luck to Tyler Burgess, Jacob Burgess, Maddie Waldron, Jackson Barger, Sophie Price, Travis McDaniel, and Landon Weldon, who will be competing at the states May 23rd and 24th. Now that's all I have for you this week, PHS. Now back to the seniors at the desk.
Good luck to all sports continuing on to postseason. Hey Simmone, where will you be in 10 years?
Hopefully working in the music industry.
Simmone and I talked to seniors about where they will see themselves in 10 years.
I hope I'll eventually be living by the beach with a nice job.
In 10 years, I want to be doing hair.
In 10 years, I will be working for ESPN and continue my work in media.
I want a lot of kids.
In 10 years, I'll be living in another country.
In 10 years, I'm going to be a freaking billionaire.
In 10 years, I'll be living in a pineapple under the sea.
I think I'll be out of Palmyra with a high-paid job.
10 years, I'm going to be making money.
I think I'll be using the degree that I hope to get, being a music teacher. I don't know where, but somewhere.
I'll be in the National Weather Service as a meteorologist.
In 10 years, I would like to be successful and form a family.
I hope to have a job in sports medicine and have a couple kids in a way.
I'd probably be like serving the country.
I think I'll be living in South Carolina, hopefully as a pediatric nurse.
A multi-millionaire living in a $50 million house.
I see myself in North Carolina working in a hospital.
10 years, I hope to be married and have a good full-time job.
I'll be living in Delaware, hopefully working as a children's psychologist.
I love to hear classmates' future plans. Graduation is approaching quickly. Maddie Witt and Jack Wilson give us more information on the schedule with the Now You Know.
What's up, PHS? I'm Maddie Witt here with this week's Now You Know, and today we're talking with Miss Byler on the senior schedule.
Hi guys, so just a note to all seniors, today is Wednesday and you would have gotten the senior calendar events in your email this morning from me to review. After Memorial Day, you guys will have your senior final exams the last 3 days of school. If you're going on the senior trip, then you don't have to come into school the last day. If you're not, then you should be here for your half day. Baccalaureate is June 2nd on Sunday at Gravel Hill. Tuesday, June 3rd is our first senior meeting in the auditorium, so you need to bring your laptop to turn in. You also need to make sure you have all fines paid and you have your senior survey done, or you will not get tickets to graduation. June 4th, you also have another rehearsal in the auditorium. On June 5th, you will have a rehearsal down at LVC. And that's it. Then Friday's the big day. June 6th, we'll see you at graduation. And students should be there by 6:15 with their cap and gown and their tassel. And make sure you're dressed appropriately for that as well.
Thanks, Ms. Beidler.
Thanks, Maddie and Jack.
On June 1st at 2 p.m., seniors are invited to participate in the baccalaureate service at Gravel Hill Church. Please dress appropriately.
Following, on June 2nd, there will be a cornhole tournament and the senior sunset in the back parking lot of the high school.
Every senior will receive 6 tickets after rehearsal on June 5th. They must have all their debts paid and the senior survey completed to receive the tickets. There is a list for students who need 1 or 2 extra graduation. Please send Mrs. Beidler in the guidance office with an email with your request and she will add your name to the list. The deadline will be May 28th. At the time, the administration will look at all the requests and see how many extras they can provide.
The commencement group will be on site at graduation. You can also pre-order flowers, fairs, and shirts at thecommencementgroup.com/Palmyra.
That's all we have for you this week, PHS. This is Adrina Russek
and
Patel. Cohen Claar.
Andy Driscoll.
Landon Weldon.
And Cameron Scott.
Morgan Engel.
Noah Stewart.
Julia Vida.
Simmone Bucher.
Chase Reidmiller.
Ava Lindenmuth.
And Justin Kaplan reporting for Cougar Media News.
Walking back